Say goodbye to wobbly wall hooks forever. Today we're putting old school plastic anchors via our next gen metal anchors to the ultimate test. Ancient plastic anchors, drill holes, hammer in, screw tight. Pops out like a bad joke, designed to fail since Y2K. Our military grade metal anchors. No drilling, just tapping a drywall. £50 grip strength. Perfect for shelves, curtain rods, bathroom caddies. Self-locking teeth expand like a bunker buster once in. They're not coming out. Watch this stress test. Rock. Solid. These are flying off shelves faster than the anchors we replaced. Tap the link before we're wiped out.